Okay, here we have our 1998 Roadgrader 854. We're going to do a simple walk around video for you. The pictures of this unit are with the boom folded up, so I thought I'd do the walk around video with the booms folded out so you wouldn't be bored to tears while I was doing the video. I'm going to take a walk and just look at some things that hopefully you would look at. In the battery department here. And always on the sprayer, you want to take a good look at the wheel motors. This particular sprayer is my sprayer. My son is doing my farming, and I'm selling this to you on big iron. Hopefully I'll get all of the things that you want to see. I'll show you some of the things that we have done to it. Change it a little. These back two wheel motors have both been off since I've owned it, and had the seals put in them. And as you can see, it doesn't look like they've been leaking. And that's a good thing. This particular wheel here has been welded, and I have had to weld it a couple more times, but since those times it's held up all right. But anyway, and on this spray boom, this boom, Roadgrader has several different versions of booms, and this is what's called a 1020. They're on 10-inch centers, and you can either run 20-inch centers, you can run 30-inch centers, whatever you want to do, so you can put drops and go down the row. I extended this boom. This was an 80-foot boom. I extended it to 90 foot. This right here is the extension part, and this is on 20-inch centers. These are XRC, which are porcelain nozzle, and these are 2.5s. And I've been spraying anywhere from 6 to 7 gallons the acre with this machine. These are 110 degree fans, so hopefully you're getting a double coverage, good coverage with this situation. And also, if you don't know it, on a Roadgrader, all the valves are operated by air. And when I first thought of that, I thought, boy, that sounds silly, but the wires don't rot out. And I always double up my nozzles behind the tires. We do a lot of flat work out here in summer, fall. If you're going over the crop, you'll want to change those. Just look at a little bit of some of the structural stuff and some of the way the nozzles and everything are set up for you. Okay, now we'll go up here and fire this bad boy up. This is not like your typical Roadgrader. I added this ladder, sort of like the new ones, to make me feel a little better. And this also gives you a nice area to walk around your tank, check on things. This is your flow meter, and this is how you set basically high and low rates, higher and lower rates. I replaced the tank that was on here. This is a 1,000-gallon tank, not a 750. This is a 1,000-gallon tank. And auto steer system goes with this unit. This is a Trimble 750 with swath control situation on it. You control everything with the 750. Like, I've got some water in it right now, but I'm not going to. You can see that pressure coming up. I'm not going to blow off the boom, but you control everything through this system. And it's also an easy steer system, which is not rocket science, but it sure gets the job done. And also, I've added the mirrors. Sometimes you're going down the road, it's a little hard to see somebody coming behind you. And on the Trimble systems, instead of having to shut off the machine when it's hot, there's a button on the back of the unit, and you can just shut it down if you have to reboot it midday or something to that effect. So there you have your Roadgrader 854. Thank you for looking.